Malemna kinariba human metapneumovirus HMPV case ani Karnataka da thengnare adum oinamak influenza like illness ILI amadi severe acute respiratory illness SARID hengalakpa thengnadri haina Ministry of Health and Family Welfare na thadorakpa cherol amana phongdorakli cherol asina hai HMPV case ani asi Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR na routine surveillance sathabada tha ahum khakta makai riba angang nupi macha amaga tha nipan suraba nupa macha amagada detect tawrakhibani hairi patient animak asi international travel history leiba amata natte tha ahum khakta makai riba angang nupa macha adu bronchopneumonia nabadagi Bengaluru gi Baptist Hospital da pukhatlaklamlabaga discharge tawkhrabani hairi Amaromda tha nipan suraba angang nupa macha aduna HMPV positive oibadagi Bengaluru gi Baptist Hospital da tha asigi ahumda admit tawrakhibani mahaksu bronchopneumonia na khibagi history lei angang nupa macha adugi fibam hojik tapna fagalakli Union Health Ministry na araiba surveillance channel khudingmak sijinnaduna kopna monitor tawri amadi ICMR na chahi chuppa HMPV circulation gi track tawduna leiri World Health Organization nasu China da oiriba fibam asige matangda leptana update pirakli handakta leibak sinba thungna pangthokhiba drill aduna leibak asina laichet asi thengnanaba sem saduna leiri haibasi mayek sengna taklei hainasu cherol asina makhatana phongdorakli